Hello, kids! Welcome to Kids Genius.
Five little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks went out to play, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks went swimming one day, splashing around in a pond so gay. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks went running away, playing in the fields on a sunny day. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. One little duck went out alone, over the hills to a little stone. Mother duck said quack, 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 and no little ducks came wandering back. Sad Mother duck went out that day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck cried quack, 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 and all five little ducks came running back.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.